If you need to close your Temu account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Temu website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in the menu or profile icon. Step 3. Find account deactivation option. Look for an option related to account management or deactivation. This may be labeled as close account, delete account, or something similar. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Click on the account deactivation option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to confirm your decision or provide a reason for closing the account. Step 5. Confirm account closure. After completing the necessary steps, you should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your account has been successfully closed. Make sure to check for any final notifications or confirmations to ensure your account is fully deactivated. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Temu's customer support for assistance.